All parties Hurriyat conference leadership has said that the statement by the Pakistan Army Chief General Syed Asim Munir at the PMA passing out parade is evident that the people of Kashmir are not alone in their struggle for right to self-determination. APHC leaders including Maulvi Bashir Ahmed Irfani, Mir Shahid Salim, Abdul Ahad Para, Yasmin Raja, Farida Behenji, Mohammad Salim Zargar, Dr. Musaib, Javed Ahmed Mir, Khadim Hussain, Sayyid Sibte Shabir Qumi and Jammu and Kashmir People's League in their statements issued in Srinagar said that Army Chief's support to the just freedom struggle will be a great inspiration for the Kashmiri people. Indian troops in the unabated acts of state terrorism martyred 21 Kashmiris, including 3 teenagers in just last 4 months this year. According to the data issued by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today, at least 50 civilians were injured due to the use of brute force by Indian police and paramilitary troops. Indian Army, Paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force, Dreaded National Investigation Agency and State Investigation Agency arrested over 400 civilians, including Hurriyat leader Bilal Ahmed Siddiqui, political activists, youth students and journalist Irfan Meraj. Fully dressed in uniform, Hindu extremist associated with Hindutva organization Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh took out a march in Riyasi town in Jammu region. The march was taken out in different bazaars of the town, during which the RSS activists were in full dress ganvesh. Having met humiliating defeat at the hands of Pakistan Air Force on February 27, 2019, Indian Air Force has planned a large-scale offensive combat air exercises in occupied Kashmir, parts of the disturbed states of Punjab and Himachal Pradesh from May 6, 2023 to test its capabilities afresh. On February 27, 2019, Pakistan Air Force drowned 2 Indian fighter planes and arrested one of the Indian pilots, Abhinandan. A woman was found dead under mysterious circumstances in Kupwara district today. Some locals spotted an unidentified female body, upon which the police were informed. The government blocked 14 messenger mobile applications in occupied Kashmir to strip the common Kashmiris of right to communicate with each other. 3 persons were killed in a road accident in Riyasi district. 3 persons died when a vehicle they were travelling in skidded off the road and rolled down near Kark area of the district, resulting in the on-spot death of the 3 passengers. Dr. M.A. Macmillan, Green Party member of the Queensland Parliament, Australia, has raised the blatant rights violations by the Modi regime in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir in the local parliament. President of All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference and former Prime Minister Sardar Atiq Ahmed Khan has said that the G20 countries should, instead of participating in the meeting in the organization in the disputed region of occupied Kashmir, the Modi government should resolve the issue of Kashmir according to the resolutions of the United Nations.